Felly, fi'n i ddangos i chi'n gyflym sut mae gweld gwaith ar assignments a sut mae cyflwyno'n gwaith at ni. I'm just going to show you quickly how to view work in assignments and how to share them with us. Felly, seinwch mewn i Hub, sign into Hub, Office 365, Teams, you'll come to this page. Dewch chi dudalen yma, sydd gyda'ch dosbarth sywar chi a'ch dosbarth dewi chi, pa bynnag un sy'n gymwys i chi, whichever one's relevant for you. And am hwn, fi'n i ddefnyddio Ysgol Henry Richard. For this video, I'm just going to show Ysgol Henry Richard as an example. Felly, mewn i'r ffeil, a chi'n gweld fan hyn, mae gyda fi aseiniad i gwblhau. I have an assignment to complete. Os nag yw'n dangos lan ar eich chat chi, if it doesn't show up in your chat, ewch chi assignments ar y top, a mae fe fan hyn, fyd. So your assignments will be viewed here, assignments. So the ones assigned are the ones you need to do, and then completed are the ones you've finished, okay, and have been presented to us, to the teachers. Felly, mewn i'r aseiniad, os mae'r aseiniad yn gofyn i chi i lwytho lluniau, if they ask you to upload pictures or videos, that's all you need to do is press add work a upload from this device. Iawn, dim ond uwch lwytho fe o'ch cyfrifiadur chi. Unwaith chi wedi dewis lluniau neu fideos, gwasgu attach. Once you've chosen, just press attach. And then that will upload. Wedyn, gyda'r syniad yma, mae yna ddogfen. So you have a document with this assignment. Felly dyma fe. A mae eisiau chi edito. You don't need to print work off your assignments. Okay? So mae eisiau chi brinto. Felly gwasgu fyna, edit in desktop app neu browser. Fi'n i agor lan yn browser, felly mae'n agor lan ar y we iddo fe. A wedyn, dyma ni, gysgadael llwytho. A gyda hwn, mae eisiau chi symud yr llygoden lawr bod e'n dod i'r blwch. Felly, nawr chi'n ei chwilio yn yr arbrawf beth sy'n arnofio, beth sy'n suddo. Felly, fi'n ei troi mewn bod cwch yn arnofio a bod carreg yn suddo, iawn? A chi'n gweld fe'n ar top yn gweud saved. So at the top it says saved. My work has been saved automatically. Your work will save automatically as well. Iawn? So mi eisiau chi gwasgu save o gwbl. You don't need to press save at all. It saves automatically. Fi'n hapus hwnna. I'm happy with that. Finish my work. Fi'n gwasgu close. Iawn? And just to show you, if you open that again, your work will show there. And that's how your work will show up with us as well. Felly, if you want to go back, if you're feeling, oh, I haven't finished my work yet, but I haven't got time to finish it now, you can just leave it there and go back to it later on. Or if you think you've finished with it, you need to press hand in. Hand in is important for us as teachers to see your work. So hand in, and a little emoji comes up, complete it, okay? So now if I go back to assignments, go back, you have nothing to complete. I have nothing to complete, but I've completed one and it has a tick. Now, we as teachers can give you feedback on your work and you will be able to see it. Byddwn ni'n gallu rhoi adborth chi ar eich gwaith a byddwch chi'n gallu gweld hwnnw. Gyda assignment, dim ond chi fel plant a ni fel rhieni, fel athrawon, sy'n gallu gweld y gwaith. You can only see your own work, okay? Felly, we can see it as teachers and you can see it as pupils and parents, your own work. You won't be able to see no one else's work. Felly, os ych chi eisiau rhannu eich gwaith chi ar Teams Dewi neu Sowar, if you want to share your work with Dewi and Sowar, you're more than welcome to do that on the chat, like you've been doing. Fel i chi wedi bod yn neud, mae croeso i chi. Ond os nag ych chi, jyst rhowch ar assignment a byddwn ni'n gallu gweld yn uniongyrchol. Os mae chi unrhyw gwestiynau, please rhowch wybod iddo ni trwy'r chat a allan ni helpu chi. If you have any questions, please let us know through the Dewi o Sowar Teams and we'll try and help you out. Felly diolch a gobeithio byddwch chi'n mwynhau defnyddio asyniadau. We hope you enjoy using assignments.